toilet bins as items may have shifted during landing. Please remember to take all your personal belongings with you, including any portable electronic devices you may have used, and the use of cellular phones is now permitted. For those passengers who have connections here in Halifax, please refer to the screens inside the terminal building or consult with one of our colleagues on the ground. Thank you for flying Air Canada this evening, member of Star Alliance. We hope you've had a pleasant flight and we look forward to seeing you again